Unlock the power of YouTube TV with Verizon. Are you ready to enhance your streaming experience? Let's combine your Verizon plan with YouTube TV for ultimate entertainment. What is YouTube TV with Verizon? Verizon has teamed up with YouTube TV to bring live TV streaming straight to you. If you're a Verizon Wireless, FiOS, or 5G home customer, this means access to over 100 live channels, including your favorite news, sports, and entertainment, without the hassle of cable. What you get: live TV access. Enjoy channels like ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, ESPN, TNT, HGTV, and more. Your favorites are all covered. Unlimited DVR, record and store as much as you like in the cloud. No more worrying about running out of space. Multiple accounts. Share this experience with up to 6 household members. Everyone gets their own viewing space. Device flexibility. Watch on smart TVs, streaming devices, mobile phones, or computers. Your shows go wherever you go. How to sign up? Getting started is easy. Step 1. Head over to Verizon's official site or fire up the My Verizon app. Step 2. Look for the add-ons or YouTube TV section. Step 3. Follow the simple prompts to link your Verizon account and activate your YouTube TV subscription. Pricing and offers. The standard cost is $82.99 a month, but keep an eye out for promotional discounts that can save you money, like $10 off for 12 months with eligible plans. Why use YouTube TV with Verizon? Why choose this combo? Say goodbye to cable boxes and contracts. Enjoy easy billing through Verizon. Access the full YouTube TV experience on all your favorite devices. That's it. You're all set to stream live TV seamlessly with Verizon and YouTube TV.